Right now, your brain is running 47 tabs. Ideas slip, notes scatter, meet reflect. Your second brain. Capture everything. One clean space. Never lose an idea. Let's see how it works. Let's begin by exploring onboarding. We're on the website. Click the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email. Click the Continue button. Check your email for a secure login link. Wait for the application to load. Wait for the encryption setup to complete. Fill in the username and password fields. Click the Create Account button. Wait for the account to be created. Click the Download Recovery Kit button. Enter your password. Correct the password if necessary. Click the Sign In button. You're now logged into the application. Following this, we'll move on to logging in. Enter your email and click Continue. Then, check your email for a secure login link. Next, wait for the app to load. After that, enter your encryption password. Then, click the Sign In button. Finally, access your daily notes in the Reflect app. Now let's explore the next topic, watching tutorial video. Click Save a link to start. Next, play the tutorial video. Then, watch the video to learn more. Now let's explore the next topic, daily notes. View your daily note for May 5th. Hover over the plus icon to add a meeting. Enter the attendee's email. Select the Create Backlink Note checkbox. Click Add to Daily Note. The meeting is now added. Click the link to add notes. Now let's try creating a backlink. Type to create a backlink. Next, enter the name. Then click the button to create a note. Finally, see the link created in your note. Moving on to adding a link. Click to edit the domain. Next, select the link icon. Then confirm or edit the URL. After that, click again to edit. Finally, see the domain linked successfully. Next, let's see how adding a quote works. Click to add a new note. Type / to open the command menu. Select Quote from the menu. A quote block is ready for input. Moving on to adding current time. Type the command to add time. Next, choose the current time option. Then, see your note updated with a timestamp. Up next, adding a to-do list. Type / to open the menu. Next, choose To-Do List. Then, add tasks under Working On. Finally, see your updated daily note. Let's check out formatting text. Click to add text. Next, select Meeting Notes. Then, use the toolbar to format. Finally, Meeting Notes is now a heading. Moving on to pinning a note. Pin a note for quick access. Next, unpin it to return to the original state. Then repin as needed. Moving on to sharing with private link. Share your daily note with a private link. Next, copy the published URL. Then, confirm the URL is copied. Finally, mark meeting notes as complete. Next, let's see how note detail works. View your daily note. Next, explore the guide. Then, create a backlink in your notes. Next, let's see how note history works. Click to view note history. Then explore and restore previous versions easily. Here's how collapsing sections works. Check off a task to simplify your day. Next, collapse sections to declutter your notes. After that, move to the next day's note. Here's how cloning a prompt works. Clone the prompt. A new block generates text. Now let's look at rerunning a prompt. Click to rerun the meeting notes prompt. Enter a new request in the input field. Edit the prompt template to finalize. Let's check out inserting an answer. Click Insert to add the text. The paragraph is now in your meeting notes. Here's how running a custom prompt works. Select Ask Anything to AI from the menu. Enter your custom prompt. Click the Rerun button. Click the Replace button. The note is now updated with the AI-generated sequence. The next feature we'll cover is setting up Chrome extension. Install the Chrome extension from the dashboard. Next, authenticate your Reflect account. Then, connect your Amazon account for Kindle Sync. Finally, configure default settings or start using the extension. Up next, let's discover how All Notes works. On the dashboard, click New Note. Next, enter your title and content. Then, add #yoga to the title. After that, click Create New Tag, #yoga. Finally, see the note with the #yoga tag. Now let's try deleting a hashtag. Filter your notes using the custom dropdown. Remove the hashtag location tag by clicking the X icon. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Now, view notes filtered by #author. In the next section, we'll explore how recording a voice memo works. Select May 5th to access notes. Next, start recording an audio memo. Then, stop the recording. Finally, view the transcribed memo in your daily note. In the next section, we'll explore how searching Reflect works. On the dashboard, initiate a search. Next, select a contact from the results. Then adjust the search query. After that, update the query again. Moving on, create a note with the new title. Finally, view the documentation for more details. After this, let's walk through saving a link with Chrome extension. Hover over the link to preview details. Next, view the full page for deeper insights. Moving on to moving notes to trash. Select the untitled note. Next, select the Saving Websites note. Then, click the Trash Selected Notes button. After that, click the Trash link. Finally, verify the notes are in the trash folder. Moving forward, let's see how entering split pane view is done. Access your daily note and select a link. Next, view the split screen with detailed content. Then, hover to close the split view. Now let's explore the next topic, map. Click Filters to adjust the knowledge graph. Next, deselect Show Unlinked to refine the view. Then, close the filter menu. Finally, explore the updated graph. Moving forward, let's see how keyboard shortcuts is done. Click to view keyboard shortcuts. Then, explore categorized options for efficient navigation and editing. Right next, let's check out adjusting sidebars. Select a date to view related notes. Next, explore and edit the daily note. Next up, let's take a closer look at preferences. Switch to dark theme in profile settings. Next, return to the main application. Then, view today's daily note. After that, see all notes listed. Let's check out adding a template. Click the Add Template button. Enter the template name. Now, the new template is ready. Now, let's try changing a graph color. Go to your graph. Next, open the color picker. Then, choose orange. Finally, see your graph updated. Next, let's see how switching graph works. View daily notes and click another brain to switch. Enter the encryption password. Confirm with sign-in to access another brain's workspace. Now let's look at deleting a graph. Click the delete link on the settings page. Enter the graph identifier in the confirmation modal. Confirm by clicking the delete button. The graph is successfully removed from the list. Here's how connecting a Google account works. Start at the Connections page and click Connect an Account. Next, choose to connect a Google account. Then, select your account. After that, review Google permissions and grant calendar access. Moving on, select additional permissions and continue. Finally, see the success message and return to Reflect. Next, let's see how importing notes works. On the Settings page, click the button to select files. Next, choose your import format. Then, dismiss the error modal. After that, select files again with the correct format. Moving on, check the pre-import summary. Then, see how duplicates are handled. Afterward, watch the import progress. Finally, the import is complete. Close the confirmation modal. Let's check out editing profile. We're on the profile settings. Next, change your avatar. Finally, your profile is updated. Now let's look at editing profile settings. On the profile settings page, access the drop-down. Next, choose a new start day. Then, confirm the update is saved. Now let's look at Manage Subscription. Click Manage Subscription. Next, update plan or billing information. After this, let's walk through logging out. Click Sign Out to exit Reflect. You're now on the website. Click Login to return, and that's Reflect. Capture notes, books, and meetings in one place. Start your second brain today.